At South Jersey Gas, we're focused on providing you exceptional service and support. To help keep you informed of each step of your natural gas installation process, we have developed the new Service Installation Tracker. After we receive your application, simply access the tracker by clicking the link provided in your welcome email or by visiting southjerseygas.com. Next, you'll log in using your tracking number and the last 4 digits of the phone number on your account. Here, you'll always be able to check the progress of your installation. You can click on any completed step for more information. Also, you'll receive an email after each completed step with more details. Once your application has been processed, our design team will work to determine the best path for your installation. When your service design has been completed and approved, we'll apply for the appropriate permits. Once all permits are approved, our scheduling team will arrange the next available installation date for your service. When your scheduling date and time have been confirmed, the installation contractor will request public markouts. While we'll take care of the public markouts, you're responsible for all private markouts. At this point, the installation can begin. Congratulations, your service has been installed. South Jersey Gas is happy to provide you with this tool to keep you updated on the status of your natural gas installation. Remember, if you have any questions, you can always contact your personal customer advocate. Welcome to South Jersey Gas.